mirror I found at a local charity store. It was $13 on clearance, and it has all these neat little detail pieces and little ornate little shapes. So I think I'm going with Gothic. So I'm going to start off with some soft pink by Dixie Belle, and I just have a little bit left. I'm using this little brush. I don't know where I got this brush, but I'm using it, and as you see, I'm just going to basically just get this pink inside these grooves, and I'm just going to show you real quick and then I'll stop. But I'm going to just try to get so that when I paint over it, some of this pink will be the some of this pink, ignore that, phone drop, will be in the grooves. At least that's what I'm starting with. So I'm just going to show you, when you're doing grooves, just use a paintbrush like this and just get it in there, but you also got to squish it around and get into those grooves. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, here's a quick video. I'll try to get in there. PD has decided he wants to get in the video. Here's the mirror. I'll post a before. This is the after. A lot of detailing you'll see in the previous video where I added the pink first. And all those divots. And then some midnight sky, some black, which is Caviar, Dixie Belle. The detailing was fun to do. Then some white glaze and wax. Some from Waverly. Some from Dixie Belle. Most from Dixie Belle. Try to give you some dimension. Use the Waverly brush. That is PD making sure it is up to par. Hi PD, you're in every video now. Let me show you this side. I did one side at a time instead of yes, you're in the video. Instead of to match them up, just let them go natural distress so they're not exact on both sides, which is what would happen in nature. I'm not talking to you. Okay, you're in the shot. Nope, you can't tap the camera while I'm This is what's happening when I'm trying to shoot this video. Thanks. Oop! Ah, you heard the ice maker. You're a strong wild beast until the ice maker makes some noise, and then you're a scaredy cat. Okay. Finished product. I will be buffing it a little bit before it goes out, but happy socks. Petey. And the messy background. Enjoy. Have fun with your own projects today.